It is rumored that the Galaxy S10 will be introduced in January at CES 2019, and that is exactly the kind of rumor of Galaxy S that we would expect to see in the months after Apple's most recent release. It is rumored the Samsung launched the next Galaxy S in CES for years, and that never happened. But this time it could be real, and the iPhone X 2018 might have nothing to do with it. Rumor has it that it will be called Galaxy X, which could cause some confusion if the next Galaxy S will be called S10. Samsung's first folding smartphone is finally coming true. The phone is likely to be unveiled at the MWC 2019 fair in February, which is usually the place where Samsung will present the latest Galaxy S model. That explains why Samsung would move the launch of the Galaxy S10 to January, so that the Galaxy X can shine a month later in Spain. The Galaxy X has received a new code name, Winner, which indicates that the phone is approaching launch. Previously, the folding phone project was called Valley, a name that was revealed in 2015. Supposedly, Samsung will begin to acquire parts for the folding phone in November, but the phone will have a limited release, since Samsung still intends to measure interest in the folding phone market before going all in. The report notes that a collapsible Galaxy phone was privately shown to partners at CES this year. That phone had a folding design and three 3.5-inch OLED screens, one on the outside and two on the inside. That's as big as the original iPhone's screen used to be. The report says that the two 3.5-inch screens placed inside create the front of the phone. The result, Bell says, is a 7-inch screen, although that's not exactly the way geometry works. It's more like a screen between 6 and 7 inches. The third OLED screen is on the outside of the phone, allowing the user to interact with the phone when it is closed.